how you can make a bunch of money with adult marketing, give you guys secret advice. Listen closely to this advice because it can change your life. Let's go. So adult traffic is one of the best ways in the world, as we know, to make money. It's super cheap. There's endless amount of it. It's not strict at all. There's like no competition. And that just means right there, because where attention goes, money flows. There's tons of money there. If you guys sell no-brainer stuff, $1, $5, $10, $20, $50, $100, you're going to crush it. And there's a lot of ways you can monetize adult traffic. You could be an Amazon affiliate. You could make money from just YouTube AdSense. That's the golden ticket method. One of the best methods I've ever discovered. I was literally in the shower one day, like a few years ago, or maybe a year ago. I was just like, YouTube's one of the biggest sites in the world. How do you make money with it? A great way is AdSense revenue. And then I was like, what's the cheapest traffic source in the dang world? That is pop under traffic, okay, which is somewhat adult traffic related. And I combined the two, and it's like 2x to 3x, 5x ROI all the time. I do it once a week. And when I first discovered it, I was doing it every day, testing every which way about it. And I learned a lot very, very quickly. And I didn't want to share the method at all. But nowadays I share the method because it does have a little bit of a barrier to entry. Okay, you have to have an established YouTube channel in place that gets like 1,000 views on average per day type thing. And then you have to have high CPM videos that earn a high amount per 1,000 views from ads. And so that's how it's done, and there's more to it, and I talked about inside the Money Accelerator, the golden ticket method, baby. That's a great way to make money. Being an eBay affiliate, you can make tons of money with, and you could just do adult marketing with that. Any offer over on ClickBank, or any offer out there in the world, you could just crush it with if you have the right marketing angle and you know psychology really well and how to be creative with it and have an angle with it. You can sell stuff as bundles for a no-brainer price. Just combine a bunch of stuff together for people and be able to convey that correctly, where it's just a really no-brainer offer and they see that. I mean, that works really, really well, guys. Have people pay like a no-brainer price for just something that's awesome, and then you also just have giveaways involved with it and just like so many elements combined. It's like, why would they not buy it? And it creates a buyer frenzy in people. It's crazy. Another angle you can go about adult marketing is you could sell physical products. You could do drop shipping. I mean, e-commerce is the biggest way to make money in the world, basically. And it makes sense to people, because people can assign quick and easy value to a physical product. They see its worth. And as long as it's like an offer that's really great, and if you do a bundle of like digital products plus a physical product and multiple physical products, that can be insane. Plus giveaways involved with it somehow, you're set. You could even combine like sweepstakes CPA marketing giveaway offers with your physical product, huge bundle with also digital products. People buy that like crazy, guys, I'm telling you. And then when coupled with the power of adult marketing, how cheap it is and how much traffic there is for you, you could scale fast, endlessly, then there's a lot of money there. You guys can collect money like with Cash App, with Venmo and crypto, and obviously credit cards and collecting payments there with Stripe and ClickFunnels. That's very, very effective, guys. Another angle you can go about making a lot of money with adult marketing is you could possibly make offers for non-English speaking countries and translate everything, because they are just like somewhat easier to sell to, but you have to have a lower price point. It's important to understand how much money most people make in a certain country and have a target market and niche you're targeting. Maybe it's the dating market, for example. You make it just really, really great offer and combine a bunch of stuff together for a great price. You're going to crush it with traffic outside the United States because there's no competition outside of the United States, trust me. Nothing. Nada. Zero. Zilch. Okay? It's crazy. Way cheaper, and the profits you'll make, it's just way higher. And it's easier to be profitable and have a successful campaign and business from that. Now, if you want to sell physical products, though, and go that route with adult marketing, you could sell electronics or phones or laptops or TVs, cars, cameras. You can sell them as drop shipping, or you can be an affiliate for them. You obviously can't drop ship Apple products, but you could be an affiliate. Promote gift cards and Visa cards and Amazon gift cards and Apple product giveaways and designer clothes giveaways, expensive shoes giveaways. All these ideas, they work. And then you can do stuff directly related with adult marketing and promote things like those dolls, like blow-up dolls, I guess you could say, or X toys type stuff, or just promote all sorts of related things with that. Dating sites and cam sites and video game sites, all this stuff. It's endless how much stuff you can promote, and I'll talk about how to promote it over time throughout this video, so pay attention closely throughout this video. Something to keep in mind and really realize is the power of combining things together. That's something I definitely want to stress inside this video and rant I'm talking about here, because when you combine a bunch of stuff together, it's how the brain is meant to negotiate and see opportunities and make a buying decision from. When you are offering so much value where it's insane and it makes sense for a great, great price, then it'd be stupid not to buy. And you want to create that, because that's where money's made in this world. It's not really made at scale like crazy. I mean, it can be. I've done it many times, still do, where you just promote one offer. But when you're able to craft your own offers, big money's made there, guys. I'm telling you. For example, you can combine a bunch of private label right products and make your own products, you can dropship products, all together combined. And then you also have a sweepstake involved with it, or multiple sweepstakes involved with it all. And you convey that it's real and trustworthy and everything like that. And maybe you have authorities or celebrities associated with the offer you've crafted. And then you run paid ads at scale and make huge profit margins. But you need to make sure you are going to be profitable, especially if you're doing drop shipping of physical products, because that'll cost some money to send to people. But maybe you just do digital products and sweepstakes and combine a ton of stuff together that's really, really great. You can crush it. I mean, it's crazy. There's a lot of ad placements you guys can do with adult marketing. There's literally in-stream ads where before people are watching a video, you can have a video play that's your ad. That can get in front of a lot of people and get a message out there very, very at scale. It's crazy how much impressions you can get of people watching your first 5 seconds of your ad. You can promote an offer or your own product and business and brand at a massive rate, a massive scale. That's one of the craziest placements you can do. Other than you can also do display advertising, where it's just an image ad or a GIF ad, okay? Like, you can't do a GIF ad, Google's big display ad network, but you can with adult marketing. It's crazy. Now, another way to make money with adult marketing is like you can do a whole lead generation business where you have clients that you get who want leads. And then you just run these adult marketing campaigns where you're just collecting leads. So you do whatever it takes essentially to get quality leads and to bribe people and incentivize people into opting into your list. Let's say you're getting people for like $1 per lead, which is unheard of, you know? But it's very, very real. You can get that easily with adult marketing. But with YouTube ads or Facebook ads, it's going to be higher. But like at scale, you just get all these leads and then you're selling them. You can have a full-blown lead generation business just with adult marketing. And that's one of the most lucrative businesses, I think, out there in the world. I mean, look at the math this way. Let's say you spend $10,000 on paid ads, and then you're getting like, let's say $2 per lead. Let's just say that at scale. And you're going to reinvest forever, essentially, and make tons of profits. You get 5,000 leads from $10,000 at $2 per lead. You then sell all those leads to like 5 different clients who pay you $1.50 per lead. You also make, let's say, somewhere around $10 instantly, because you're able to sell all those leads that you're getting and you're profitable right there. But then you also, in the back end, you have your own automated sequence promoting affiliate offers. And then right after people also opt into your opt-in page, you also have a really, really high converting offer right after that you're making money from. And then future clients you get over time, you sell in bulk, the list you've grown, you just make tons of money every which way. And that's why lead generation is so powerful. In the Done For You service, I'm literally giving you guys the most powerful service I've ever created and ever seen, because I can build this stuff for you guys, help you guys do it and make it happen and get you guys the results as fast as possible. And the goal by default is to double your money with your initial investment of the Done For You system and service. Now, there is a route with adult marketing and affiliate marketing and everything in general, which is very, very advanced, powerful. What it is you can make your own offer, your own website, your own software, let's say, or your own site. It could be a video game you make, or a dating site, or a digital course or something. Now you make an offer that's just great, or it could just be an opt-in lead form where you collect leads and you know how, and you have a way to monetize those leads and make way more money back. You can list these things you create and own these offers or websites of your own and have affiliates promote them, because there is one traffic source that's somewhat better than adult traffic in this world, and other great traffic sources that are like content marketing traffic sources where you're getting passive traffic forever organically. Having your own offer where affiliates are promoting it, that's like crazy, because you have an affiliate army, people who are experts at the traffic sources they do, promoting your offer. If you have a great offer, you get a lot of affiliates and you make a lot of money. So it's one of the most powerful ways to make money online, for sure, is make your own offer, have affiliates promote it. It's insanely crazy. I'm telling you guys, there's almost nothing in comparison to how powerful that is regarding traffic and making money online. Because you just have people sending you traffic all the time and getting you sales and them self-sales. You just work out the numbers, you pay what's fair, and they promote like crazy. It's great. Now, a free traffic source that just beats all traffic sources is YouTube, for sure. Like, ask yourself what platform you spend most of your time on per day, and maybe just use that as your full-time free traffic source for any affiliate marketing effort you want to do. If it's CPA marketing or affiliate marketing or whatever you're promoting overall, whatever funnel you're sending people to, like an opt-in form, double down on that traffic source. And most likely you spend most time in your life on YouTube regarding watching content. So that's the best free traffic source in the world. Know how to leverage it. Know how to make money with it, guys, because that's where the big, big money is, passively, long-term, everything. But when you want to make money fast and scale your money and flip your cash like crazy, that's where running paid campaigns is just so powerful, because you can just like get a huge return on your investment at scale. Now, if you run YouTube ads to get leads, you have a conversion pixel in place. It's able to optimize based off conversions. It knows, like the pixel and the AI with YouTube ads, I mean, it just knows people that are actually buying from you, and it's able to go find more people who will buy from you. So the conversion pixel is so powerful with YouTube ads, Facebook ads, all these different platforms. And then you can go very broad with your targeting, and it will still be able to find people for you. But sometimes getting leads with YouTube ads and sales with YouTube ads, it can cost somewhat higher than these other traffic sources out there. You can see who's converting and you can scale. And then you can make new campaigns targeting who converts as well. And you just keep going until things start to die down. And you'll know when things start to die down, but usually you have to spend upwards of like 6 figures to know if a campaign's starting to die down, because with 6 figures, you basically get in front of a lot of people, and then that's when you know it dies down. But you want to do that fast, because sometimes people will copy you. You want to split test a lot of video creatives in the beginning for sure. You don't just want to have one ad and then like, okay, I think it'll work. No, you always want to have an A/B split test. Like, let's just say 2 ads. One's going to perform better than the other for sure. That's why it's so important. Really have like 5 to 10 different ads to split test, and that's how you crush it. You want to also test your ad copy, your call to actions, your landers, your websites, your headlines, everything, because it's the difference between a little bit of money and a lot of money. There you go.